In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Dota 2 fail to initialize Vulkan. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you right click on Dota, go to properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files and see if it works now. If it still doesn't, head back to general, type in dash, and you want to type in novid space dash console space dash dx11, just like this. Now once you've done this, it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't work, you can close this one down, go to Dota, properties, install files, browse, game, bin, Windows, select Dota2.exe, properties, compatibility, try and activate these two, apply and OK and see if it works now. If it still doesn't, try and activate this one and choose Windows 8. If that doesn't work, try the Windows 8 one, no, 7 I mean. Now that should hopefully fix your issue. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.